Today, our topic will be nematodes. Nematodes are also known as roundworms. Nematodes range in size from 25 mm to 0.1 mm, making most of them microscopic. Nematodes have about 1,000 cells. For example, a hermaphrodite adult from this species has about 959 somatic cells, which are cells that are not used for reproduction. Nematodes inhabit thin films of water on soil and plant roots. There are about 28,500 known species of nematodes. About 14,000 to 16,000 species are parasitic, but only about 60 of them infect humans. Some of the diseases caused by these nematodes are rat lungworm disease, ascariasis disease, hookworm disease, and dirophylloriasis disease. Nematodes are known for their damaging effect on crops. In Earth's soil, it is estimated that there are about 500 quintillion nematodes. Else than soil, they can also be found in freshwater and marine environments. And that's the end of the video. Bye, see you next time.